Hello and welcome to the final part of our hotels management system development. I hope we've learned a lot, covered a lot of models, and these models can equally help you build other systems as well. So in this lesson, we are going to work on two important models, package our system, and then put it into test. So to start with, we are going to work on the logout model, okay? The logout model. You can see that on the home page, we have the logout button. However, we didn't talk about that model, so let's quickly look at that. So you can see this is the logout model. Just double click on it. What is happening here, anytime the user clicks on that, we would want to prompt the user to ask if you actually want to log out. If the user says yes, then what we are going to do is to activate the welcome page, because that is a welcome page. We activate it and tell the person that log out successful. After that, we hide the customized ribbon and also the sheet tabs. That is very simple. That is how this model works. So once we activate the welcome page, and then quickly we hide all these things, and that will be it. So let me show you how that is going to be done. So let me right click on this. Let's go to assign macros and let's locate the logout. Okay, let me locate it. Well, this is it. However, let me reselect it again. Press and hold Control on the keyboard before selecting it. Now let me see if there's any difference here. Okay, it's still there like that. So what we are going to do is select it, this is it, select it, log out, click on OK. So now when we click on logout, we are prompted. If you say no, operation is cancelled. If you say yes, then you see that we are brought to this page. Okay, so now we are going to log in. I believe you already know your password. Okay, so we click on login now. Then we enter the name of the receptionist. Let's say James or Jane, and then the username is admin. And then the password is 123. So let's quickly log in, then click on OK. So we are logged in. You see that once we log in, all the tools are hidden. So we can show the tools here. We can hide them here. So now let's show them now. And then you can see that the home page will be locked. Okay. So that is that. So now the next thing we are going to look at is the what happens whenever we launch the system. Let's go back to the developer tab. Let's go back here. So let's go to our the complete source code folder, and then let's open the forms and models, and let's locate this file here called this workbook. Double click to open it. So Control A to select everything here, then Control C to copy. Let's copy this model here. So let's quickly bring it down here. Let's come back here. So what we are going to do is locate this workbook. Double click on this one here, and then paste the code here. So what we are actually doing here is that and say workbook and then open. Whenever we open the workbook for the first time, we would want to worksheet, that is the main worksheet, we would want to set it to visible and then activate it. In this case, it is not the main worksheet, it is called the welcome sheet. So here it should be welcome. So let's change this to welcome. Okay, welcome, and then welcome. We would want to set the welcome sheet to visible by making it to true, and then we activate it. Once we do that, we would want to hide, like this one. We would want to hide all the sheet tabs as well as the customized ribbons. Okay, so that is that. So let's save our work. What we are going to do is to close our workbook now, close our application, and relaunch it now to see what is going to happen. So let's open the folder again. Let's double click. Let's see. Okay, so you can see that this is the welcome page we want. Now what we are going to do is to log in. So click on login. Let's enter the receptionist name. Let's say Cynthia, and then username is admin, password is 1234 or 123. So we log in. So there we go. So you can see the receptionist name here, which is Cynthia, and there we go. So we can trigger this and try testing our system all by ourselves. We can enter the room data, customize the system, upload the logo, just do whatever you want to do. Just keep testing, and then you realize that everything is working perfectly. So now the next thing I would want us to look at is let's log out and reset our password. So to reset our password, let's click on this. Let's enter a wrong username to see this. So the password, I will set it 1234, then 1234. Reset is what username is wrong. So I would want to enter the correct username, admin, and then the password I would want to set is 1234. Let me make it 123 as the confirmation and say this, it will not work. So let me add 1234 and then 1 2 3 4. My login is now successful. So now let me log in now with the new password. Jane as the receptionist name. Password is 1 2 3 4. And sorry, username is admin. And password is what? 1 2 3 4. So quickly click on login and then login successful. So it is as simple as that. So with this, we are able to put together a whole complete hotels management system using MS Excel VBA. It's as simple as that. You can go ahead and test the system. Now, if you wish, if you want to suggest another system you would want us to develop, you can bring it live on our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just press the bell icon with this. You always get notified anytime we upload new video tutorials. Now, the next thing I would want to show you is this. If you would want to convert this application, make it executable before releasing it, so that anytime someone needs it, they can contact you, the developer. It's very simple. You would have to make it executable. How do we do that? We have a complete blog post on it. When you go to KingTechCodingClinic.com, under blogs, when you go to blog, you locate this blog post, make your Excel application executable. Click on this, and this will bring you straight to this page here. Just read and understand how this works. Okay, we have a full course on it with all the models and everything fully packed. If you want, you can just click on this link to grab that package, all the video tutorials and tools you need to make your application executable. You can give trial versions, you can limit the trial versions, you can deny them from copying the system from the application from one computer to the other. You can deny them a lot of things, and I've covered all of that in the video tutorials inside this same package. All the tools you need to get that up and running, everything is there. You can either use this link or this one to grab that code. So with this brings us to the end of this series. Like I said, if you want another system to be developed, let's know in the comment section below. Don't forget to also smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and with this you can get notified anytime we upload new video tutorials. Till our next series of lessons. Bye.